Welcome back. The big performers and gainers this week are the refining stocks. MRPL, Chennai Petro up for another day in a row. And this week, MRPL is up 15%. Chennai Petro has gained 12.5%. And even the oil marketing companies like HPCL, BPCL continue to move up. They've soared about 8-9% so far this week. So keep your eye out on oil and gas. But it's time now to talk about futures and options. Mangalam joins in from the F&O desk.
Well, we're down but not out. Day 2 of November series. Day 1 was fairly good. We closed above that 26,000 mark. And today it's just a bit of that give back which is taking place. Why do I say that? Because, you know, Nifty is a wee bit under pressure. The mid-cap index is actually outperforming by not falling as much. And the Nifty bank, which did not gain as much yesterday, is not giving back as much today as well. Down about 1/3%. So a large part of the gains that came by yesterday were not from the Nifty bank, and today as well a large part of the losses are not from the Nifty bank as well. Nothing really to worry about. Why do I also say that? Is because had there been some worry, then the India VIX would have seen a big spike as well. That's not the case. The India VIX is just marginally higher, hovering around that 12.3, 12.4 mark too. And as that happens, you know, the street believes that the range will continue. Today as well, the low on the Nifty was closer to that 25,900 mark. So 25,900 to 25,300 is the broad range that the street is working with. In fact, the 26,000 call, once we crossed past yesterday and the earlier high of 26,100, is only then can we look at fresher highs on the Nifty. But as of now, the call writers believe that maybe around 26,100, 26,115, there could be some supply that would come by, which is why they're writing those calls. At the lower levels, however, 25,900 put is fairly active. So you're looking at that range to be sustained between 25,900 to 26,100 thereabouts. So fresh longs added on IIFL Finance. And if you look at, CAMS, it was a serious amount of short covering is what is going on underway in CAMS right now. So I'm watching out for these two stocks.
Okay, Mangalam, thank you so much for that. But let's also